today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually make money using Likee Life. Okay, a lot of people don't know that you can actually use this app to make money. I mean, real money. Okay, but it is not an app that will make you rich. Okay, disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not sponsored by Likee Life. Okay, this video is based on my personal experience, and you are free to do your own research before investing your time or investing your money in any live streaming app I introduce on my platform. I always share what I do, okay? Make sure you do your research very well before proceeding to any app. Okay, and this is what you're going to find on this video. You're going to find out how to set up your account successfully, how you can actually earn money using this app, and also how to navigate the app. Okay, because there's a lot of people that will download this Likey Life and you don't even know what to do in order for you to start making money. Okay, so right now I'm going to take you step by step how you can actually do that for you to start making money on this application. As you can see, people are on live on this app. People are doing PK, people are doing a lot of things on this app. Me personally have cashed out over $200 on this application around 2024. Okay, so that is actually my third app that I downloaded around 2024. Okay, this app is actually very good. Right now I'm going to show you how you can actually set up your account. Now I have logged in with my email account. Right now you're going to see that I only have my email name, okay, which I'm going to be editing it. Okay, you need to edit your account perfectly. Okay, so let me just show you what you need to do here for you to succeed on this app. Right now, you need to edit your photo by clicking on the top like this. I'm going to make sure I circle it. We are going to see set a Likee ID. If any ID that you want, you can actually set it. I'm trying to know if they fit take this one, but they are not taking it. They are going to tell me that I is Likee ID. You can set up your ID by yourself. Okay, as you can see, they are not even taking it. So right now, I'm going to be editing my Likee. Okay, right now, if you scroll down like this, you're going to see that I have gifts. Okay, I have gift, but this gift is not real. Okay, it's not real. I'm going to show you all of that on this video. Now let me just go ahead and edit my profile in a standard way. Okay, right now if you click on this place, I'm going to go ahead and put in my photo. Okay, because you need to upload your real photo. It's not fake photo. Yes, you need to go ahead and upload your real photo. Okay, now let me just click here for me to show you more what you need to do. Now as you can see, what is your nickname? I'm going to go ahead and write Mimi. Okay, because Mimi is actually my nickname. Right now I'm going to search for butterfly. I want to put it. Okay, now you can see my Likee ID. I don't want to change it at all. As you can see, introduce yourself. You need to fill all of this for your accounts to be standard. Okay, as you can see, what is your date of birth? Put it correctly, and you need to go ahead and upload your profile photo. Okay, make sure the profile photo you want to upload is very okay. Like, make sure it's very quality. If you don't know how to edit photo, go ahead and learn how to edit and put up a photo. Okay, right now I'm just go ahead and select this profile picture and do it like this. Make sure my face come out very well, then I'll upload it. Okay, so once I upload it, then I need to come here and check my date of birth. Okay, because there is a way you will put your date of birth. The app might see that maybe you are from 17 years. Make sure you cross check the date of birth very well, because if you select underage, there is some certain things that are going to deny you on this app. Okay, so you can see, do you want to show your location? Make sure you turn on your location. Okay, anywhere you're from, turn on your location is very important. They are going to ask you to put your Instagram link if you want, but for me I don't want. Okay, right now I'm going to save all these things. Now you can see that my location has appeared. When actually base right now has appeared, you can see my pro photo and my name is already stand out. Okay, let me just go ahead and click on this gift that I'm seeing on my box to show you guys that it's not like there is some gifts that people will send you there and it does not worth it. Okay, so right now let me tell you exactly what you need to do here in order for you to earn. What you need to do is for you to record a video and posts. Okay, if you record the video and post, people will start liking your post, just like TikTok. Some people might even give you gifts there. Some people might send you super chat, super gift. Like there is something they call super gifts on that particular app. Okay, so you can see diamond and rubies. Okay, you can see beans. Beans is the one that you are going to be cashing out on this application. Maybe on your live streaming and someone sent you gift, that gift is going to automatically turn to beans. Is the beans is the one that you are going to cash out on this application. Right now you are going to see account balance. Account balance is zero because I don't have any money on this particular account. Okay, right now you are going to see this verification. Maybe you see it's not something that you will dive into immediately. You can see that you need some settled things for you to be verified on this, for you to apply for a verification. Okay, only if you post a video like account in a good standing, age 13 years plus. Okay, you can see that they wrote everything for you. Like if you want your account to be verified, you need to make sure you complete all these requirements before you can apply for that. You can see super like is what you are going to be like. Someone can actually watch your video and like it. They might even send you a super chat on the live stream. Okay, now you can see that many people are live on this app. This app is actually worldwide. Okay, you don't need be VPN to log in. You don't have to log in any VPN. But there's another thing I want you to do on this app. Once you log in on this app, you need to go ahead and link your password, which I'm going to be showing you here on this video. Link your password and also make sure your email is linked, because any sudden mistake you are going to lose your account. This app is actually like TikTok. Okay, so any sudden mistake you might even lose your account. And the thing is that I'm going to be showing you all of that on this video. Okay, just make sure you pay attention. Okay, now another thing I want you to know is that if you are adding your password on this application, be very careful. Now let me just show you how to link it. If you go to settings, you are going to see link. Okay, link account. You're going to see phone number and email. And the most important thing is that you need to link your phone number on this app. Okay, you can see that I have my first account phone number. It has appeared on this particular account I want to create, and I want to use my Nigeria phone number for me to use it on this second account I want to create. Okay, now they're going to, as you can see, I've already linked it. I've already linked my Nigeria phone number on this particular account now. It's already linked. They're requesting for me to add my old account. Okay, which I like. I don't want to do that now. You can see that change your password. Now I have my password already, and make sure you don't forget your password. If you forget your password, it's going to be a nightmare for you to withdraw this app, because you can see that with that password, you cannot be able to withdraw. You need to keep on remembering your password for you to withdraw on this particular app. Okay, now you can see that my account has already linked successfully and everything is okay now. Okay, if I end gift now, I'm going to automatically withdraw it to my bank. Okay, now let me just show you it so that it not be like I'm lying or something like that. Now you can see that for people that want to withdraw, let me just read it and show you. Only users with correct password can cash out beans or exchange. Okay, now we are not seeing cash out is that I have not earned any dollar here. Like if I have earned $1 here, we are going to be seeing cash out appear there, so that anytime you complete your withdrawal threshold, you can actually go ahead and withdraw. Okay, withdraw your money without even having any problem. Okay, I tell you guys that I have withdrawn $200 from this particular app in my first account. I like, you know that you need to hustle. $200 that I withdraw is not that I withdraw it in a day. I hustle. Okay, I hustle before making it. You need to go ahead and upload a video, go live. There's a lot of things that you will do for you to earn money on this app. But the most important thing that upload a video. Once you upload a video and get followers, because you need to get followers. If you get followers, they will going to give you access to a video where you are going to be going live stream. And when you go live, the thing I like about this app is that when you go live, you must surely see people that will be on your live stream. Okay, that is the only thing I like about this app. Okay, and they actually pays because they pay me. Okay, so you might encounter different, updates can change in any app. Just bear it in mind. Okay, I'm going to be stopping here. If you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section below. If you have tried like it before, comment on the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys on my next